What's up with it? What's up with it, YouTube? Today we're gonna see what today bring, man. You know what I'm saying? Take the kids, take Dito to school, and figure out from there.
You better watch the video that he been posting.
What's up with it, y'all? In the truck now. I was supposed to help my partner put his ECU. ECU is a computer. It's a computer that's inside your car. It's an ECU. It's called the ECU. I don't know what it stands for, like engine computer unit or some shit. Something like that. It's a computer though, you know. And in the last video you see my guy, my boy, he got a mechanic and he fixed the stuff that he asked him to fix, the misfire. Now it's the computer, so he took it out, and then the next day he had an emergency and never came back. So my boy hit me up and was like, told me this story. I'm like, damn, man. He only paid him for the first one. The other shit he was gonna do it for free, I guess, but nigga, the car still don't work. You feel me? And my boy went to the Recycle Road to go pick up the ECU, the little computer shit for this car. He got 2006 Toyota Avalon, something like that. So I just texted him. I'm waiting for him to hit me back on that one. But my tow package don't work, and I had the guy replace my key, give me a new key, so he had to take all this out. So I think he fucked it up. It's two wires right here I see that's off, and I looked it up on YouTube why the tow package is not working, and I seen the wires right here. So that'll be another video of me just soldering it together and make sure it worked, seeing if it worked. Cause look, see, I'm pressing it, it will go. The light will pop on. It's not doing shit. But I'm gonna hit y'all back up with it, y'all. So I'm back. Told you my boy, I was waiting for my boy to hit me back. He actually said he put it in, it ain't working. I told him you have to match up. You have to make sure the old ECU, like the first 5 numbers got to match up. Like I was YouTubing it, and you know, cause that's how I just YouTube some stuff and put it on and go from there. So I was looking up some YouTube videos, and that's what it said. It said they got to match up. So I'm pulling up to his car, to his spot, to the car right now to see what he did, and try to figure it out if we can. If you can't, that's when you call another mechanic. I ain't no mechanic, man. I'm just a helper, labor person that likes to get his hands dirty. That's all. I'm about to pull up now, see what it's talking about. So see y'all in a minute. I'll be back. See what it's talking about. They already put it in.
Oh yeah, you can park right there. Oh, there's no parking?
ECU.
Alright, on the side street, I'm opening the side gate right now.
Yep.
Hello? Hello?
Go. Try it one time. It could be the same, like, where the reader at? So I'm not gonna touch the car because I don't really know too much, you know, about, like, you know, it looked like the computer working. It's just the ignition coils are not reading so I'm about to go see if this guy. He's always working on his car right here. So let's see what he knows. Hey, you're a mechanic? You're a good mechanic? A little bit? You don't look like you got time today right now. Huh? Ah, who the fuck you top? Carrot Top. Hey, what's up with it, Carrot Top? You remember, nigga, you met me there like, fuck, I told you, I knew you was drunk as a motherfucker that day too. You just go around meet motherfuckers and forget. Motherfucker be drunk as a motherfucker. Huh? See? What's up with it? Not too much, you see? Huh? Hell yeah. Shit, about to fix my little toe. My toe hitch. Huh? You already gave me your number, bro. You got a new one? You got a new one? New number? So y'all seen I didn't tell this to Facebook, but to Instagram and I mean to YouTube. I didn't tell YouTube about Carrot Top. I told Instagram and Facebook about Carrot Top. Carrot Top, this nigga drunk as a bud. He drunk. Early, it's too early to be drunk. I'm gonna try to I told y'all about my toe hitch. The guy had to get a new key. So he had to take all this out. And look, these wires are messed up. Not on there. You see? Yeah. Look. So, right here at my granny house. I'm not gonna go inside, it's too early to she's still asleep. But I'm gonna tweak on this though. So let me get it right. See, he left some screws out, bro. Or was there any screws? This the thing. Left some screws out, but I'll be back, man. I'm gonna let me see. I'm trying to hold the camera. I need to put it down and get the GoPro, because this ain't him. See, man, he's a bitch. He's a bitch, man. So, soldering gun, the soldering stuff. I still got to take the bottom off and figure it out. See what we got going on right here. I'll be back with that. I'm gonna change the camera. Figure out how to take this off. I don't see a screw right here. Okay. Break it, but should be good enough. So you see the wire and where it's supposed to go. Right here. What is this? Oh, I got them clamps, but I want to solder this. I need to take all this off. Why is it on anyway? break them off too. Let me... Right. These you can break off with pretty much anything. But I just YouTubed this, and before I found out it was the wire, I didn't really pay attention and look. I just knew that that button didn't work. Just solder these two together. That should fix the problem. We back. I need to cut these wires, trim them up. Kind of move it out the way a little bit. I can't take it off because of this other side, kind of funny. Yeah, I took it off now. Gotta find a better way of taking that off, because what if I do somebody else's car? I don't want to take it off like that. I'll try to touch them together and see if they even fix the problem, you know. Yep, it worked. It worked. So let me fix that. Let me solder them now. It's gonna be... Maybe I'll solder this. Solder one. Let me move my leg. I don't want that shit to drop on my leg. I'm trying, y'all. Oh, the hair store first? Alright, love you. But you see it? soldered it. I tried to. I'm gonna fix it, clean it up a little bit. Clean it up a little bit. Let me just. Oh! She burned me, boy. Oh shit. Shit. Ooh, she got a man. I forgot. Damn, it took my life. Shit. It took my life away, y'all. Gots to be more careful. Shit, gotta get a little more on it though. Ooh. Let me see. I don't want to burn nothing. See some shit burning. Shit, the little burn mark right there. I don't know. That's a weird ass burn. Sheesh, it melted. It's barely on there. It's barely on there, man. Trying to get some on his back, motherfucker side. Back side of this. Good to go. Ready to put everything back. Oh, you seen it? I ain't gotta show you how to put everything back, just same thing, but thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the channel and hit the notification for the next uploads, because who knows when I'm uploading, upload, upload, up.